Hi, my name is Louisa and I'm going to be showing you how to make succulent pots. They look amazing, they're easy to make and so low maintenance. For this project you will need potting mix, your protective equipment, plants and of course your pots and if you like some decorative pebbles. So for my larger pots that are a bit deeper, I'm actually going to put some rocks down the bottom so that our soil doesn't end up too soggy with water. Now that our rocks are in the bottom of our pot, it's time to put our potting mix in. So I'm just going to pop my dust mask on to protect myself. So I've just filled my potting mix halfway up into my pot. So the reason why I've done that is so with my larger succulents, once I've popped them in, I'll be able to top it up with the remaining potting mix. Now that I've put a little bit more potting mix around my large succulent, I'm now going to go ahead and plant my smaller ones around the outside. Succulents do spread and do get bigger, so it is a good idea to leave those little spaces because then it will have room to grow. It is a bit daunting when you do choose succulents. There's different colours and sizes, but really you can't go wrong. So even if you try to get something with a bit of height, something that overhangs, and with all the different colours, they'll look great. So these decorative rocks are going to stop the dirt from splashing up onto my plants when I'm watering. Now that we've finished making our beautiful succulent pots, it's time to put them in a nice sunny spot and sit back and enjoy.